Today's TMJ4.com.
The debate over health care reform comes to Milwaukee. Congresswoman Gwen Moore just wrapped up a town hall meeting. Many such events have been disrupted around the country. Mick Trevey is live with this update to tell us how Gwen Moore's meeting went. Mick.
Well, Carol, it was much calmer than meetings that have happened in other parts of the country. It just wrapped up here a few minutes ago. It was heated. This is a passionate issue, but it wasn't nearly as bad as things we've seen in other areas. Healthcare is an emotional issue in Milwaukee. Most people in the crowd cheered as Congresswoman Gwen Moore started talking.
Insurance in the bill is mandatory.
But some people were adamantly against it all. As people yelled, volunteers kept an eye on the situation, saying people will have to leave if they disrupt the event.
You're not going to disrupt this meeting, I bet you that. I bet you that.
Other volunteers held up signs saying listen or leave. Outside, protesters challenged people going into the building. And in the midst of it all, organizers maintain they want to focus on the facts of health care and options for how to fix the current problems. And people like retired nurse Pamela Robbins really did come hoping to get more information, showing up hours early to get a good seat.
I want to know how that affects me as a senior and as someone with private health insurance.
Now, initially, organizers said that they were only going to take questions that people submitted ahead of time over the internet. Turns out things felt pretty comfortable here for the Congresswoman, and they ended up opening the microphone and allowing questions from the crowd. Some people had some pretty tough questions. She did her best to try and answer them, but says she does support this health care plan. We're live in Milwaukee. Mick Trevey, today's TMJ4 HD. Back to you.
Debate is good as long as both sides are willing to listen to each other. Mick, thank you very much. Well,